Hello, in this video I am going to show an overview of the latest version of Pop! OS and some of the applications pre-installed. Pop! OS is a free and open-source Linux distribution, based upon Ubuntu, featuring a custom Gnome desktop. The distribution is developed by American Linux computer manufacturer System76. Pop! OS is primarily built to be bundled with the computers built by System76, but can also be downloaded and installed on most computers. Pop! OS provides full out-of-the-box support for both AMD and NVIDIA GPUs. It is regarded as an easy distribution to set up for gaming, mainly due to its built-in GPU support. Pop! OS provides default disk encryption, streamlined window and workspace management, keyboard shortcuts for navigation as well as built-in power management profiles. The latest releases also have packages that allow for easy setup for TensorFlow and CUDA. Pop! OS is maintained primarily by System76, with the release version source code hosted in a GitHub repository. Unlike many other Linux distributions, it is not community-driven, although outside programmers can contribute, view and modify the source code. They can also build custom ISO images and redistribute them under another name. Pop! OS primarily uses free software, with some proprietary software used for hardware drivers for Wi-Fi, discrete GPU and media codecs. It comes with a wide range of default software, including LibreOffice, Firefox and Gary. Additional software can be downloaded using the package manager. Pop! OS uses apt as its package manager and initially did not use snaps or Flatpak, but Flatpak support was added in version 20.04 LTS. The initial release of Pop! OS was in October 2017. Pop! OS uses systemd as its init software and supports Btrfs and ext4 file systems. For package management, Pop! OS uses apt. Here you can see the commands to install software from the command line using the apt package manager. For self-contained applications, Pop! OS uses Flatpak. Pop! OS includes version 5.11.0 of the Linux kernel. Some of the default applications of this release of Pop! OS are Firefox, Gary, Videos and LibreOffice. Please feel free to tell me what you think of the latest release of Pop! OS in the comments section. Thank you for watching the video and please help the channel by sharing, leaving a like and subscribing.